The quest for the perfect shot isn't just for influencers anymore. It's everyone's game. But with so many devices claiming to be the next big thing, it can be challenging to differentiate hype from reality. But there is a new product that claims to be able to mount all your devices anywhere and in the most creative ways you could ever think of. But just how much truth is there to this? In this Tenikle review, I will scrutinize this tentacle-inspired tripod. It poses as a content creator's dream accessory, but could it be just another overhyped gadget in an already crowded market? Stick around as I delve deep on this one. But if you have already made up your mind about getting Tenikle and you just want it for the absolute cheapest price, then at any time simply click the link in the description or go to habitcast.com/mount. Okay, let's get straight into the pros of this device. Endless versatility. What truly sets Tenikle apart and goes way beyond the norms of standard tech accessories is its crazy versatility. Mimicking the gripping strength of an octopus's tentacle, it clings and adapts to almost any surface imaginable. In urban landscapes or the wild outdoors, here's a tool that might actually be limitless in its usage. Just look at all the creative ways people are using this device to enhance their day-to-day life. I personally love using it to capture myself at the gym so I can work on improving my form. This device really is a dream it, you can do it kind of device. And it's this versatility that is the real standout for me. MultiDevice use. This isn't just another phone holder. From cameras to tablets to mics, the Tenikle can accommodate a variety of devices with remarkable ease. Such versatility in a single product is rare, making it a valuable asset for those who multitask and want to switch seamlessly from one device to another. Compact and solid. Convenience meets power in Tenikle's cleverly designed structure. It's so small and compact, it is able to fit snugly into pockets or small compartments. Traveling with it becomes a breeze, unlike other bulky tripods or stands. The Tenikle also feels very strong while holding it. This isn't a fragile piece of tech by any means. It's made of durable material and it's built to last. A stark contrast to many flimsy gadgets flooding the market. Secure grip. The grip strength of this device is incredible, and it is the real highlight. Whether situated on a smooth desk surface or an even wall, the device stays firmly in place, offering a reassuring stability that significantly reduces the anxiety of unexpected drops or slip-ups. I was questioning the reliability of the strength claims before I used it, but it became pretty clear from multiple use that this wouldn't be a problem at all. Okay, let's check out the cons of this device mount. Slight learning curve. While it's user-friendly, there's a slight learning curve in maximizing its full potential, especially if you're used to more traditional mounts or tripods. Initially, it may take a few tries to get the hang of its unique design, but once you pass this hurdle, the experience is generally smooth. Suction evolution in recent model. In past versions, some users pointed out occasional suction inconsistencies. This feedback, though not widespread, was acknowledged by the creator, and this latest model showcases significant improvements. With greatly enhanced suction technology, it offers an even more dependable and enduring hold. So if you had any doubts about it, you can put those to rest. But having said that, Tenikle won't stick to uneven, rough, or textured surfaces, like leather, concrete, or textured walls. So keep this in mind. Overall, Tenikle is a must-have for anybody looking for a mount or stand that is truly innovative, unique, and functional. With incredible suction power and wrapping ability, it can be securely mounted to just about any surface. It's made from strong and durable material so it can withstand whatever you put it through. There's no setup and it's ready to use the instant you take it out of the box. And it's also completely waterproof, extending the possibilities of use even more. Now, if you want to get Tenikle at the cheapest possible price, then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead type the following URL into your browser, habitcast.com/mount. I hope you enjoyed this Tenikle review, and thanks again for watching.